Induction cooktops save time, save money on cooking. Ever wish your stove could cook faster and waste less energy? Induction cooktops are like magic for your kitchen. They heat up your pots and pans super quick, using less electricity than your old stovetop. How does it work? Imagine a magnet under your pan. That's kind of what happens. The induction cooktop uses a special kind of power that heats the pan directly, not the whole stovetop. This means no more hot burner to accidentally touch. Benefits for busy cooks. Faster cooking. Your food cooks up in a flash, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Less heat waste. No more hot burner getting the whole kitchen warm. Induction cooktops only heat the pan, keeping things cooler. Easy clean up. Since the cooktop itself doesn't get super hot, spills and messes are easier to clean. Smart features for easy cooking. Timers. Set a timer so you don't forget about your food. The cooktop will turn off automatically when the time is up. Temperature control. No more burnt or undercooked meals. Induction cooktops let you set the exact heat you need for simmering, boiling, or frying. Keep warm. Food cooked but guests are late. No problem. The keep warm setting keeps your food nice and hot without overcooking, making induction cooking even better. Right pans. Induction cooktops only work with special pans that have a magnetic bottom. Look for pots and pans made of stainless steel, cast iron, or enameled steel. Matching pan size. Use the right size pan for the cooking zone. A giant pot on a small burner wastes energy. Lids are your friend, just like with your old stove. Using lids traps heat and cooks food faster, saving energy. Turn it off. When you are done cooking, turn off the empty burner. Even on low settings, induction cooktops use a little bit of power. Clean and clear. Keep the cooktop clean and free of food spills for the best performance. With a little practice, you'll be a whiz at induction cooking. You'll save time, save money on your energy bill, and enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked meals. Happy cooking!